biogas and also the residue and the slurry that can be for the fertilizer. And the biogas here can generate power. Also, we can use direct use to the biogas stove. Okay. So the core technology, actually we use the two-stage anaerobic digestion here. Yeah, and the system actually is almost automatic running. So the workers here, they only need to take care about the feedstock. The rest they were running automatically. Yeah, so that's why we want to use this. We don't want to take more job for the workers, especially in the Aboriginal area, because no more, as our idea, the Aboriginal people here, maybe their education is not very high, like master, PhD, no, but they still can doing good work in this kind of system. And also, as Alicia's presentation, maybe she mentioned about the Monado pilot plan. That also made designed by our group, and I go there to build it up, and then teach the two workers there how to operate and what the idea is, so they already learn the knowledge, so they can become an expert. Yeah, so that's what. The pilot plan is not only that it produces the power. We also want kids have the function of the education. Yeah. So later on we will make a demo. Is that we can run in the generator. Here we have the generator. So I may ask the lady beside the shelter. We will run the generator. So this
¿Ya tiene un generador? Ahorita lo acabo de activar.
So this is like bioman represented.
A ver, está tratando de prenderle.
But of course, the system actually is not so big. The capacity is only 1 cubic meter per day here. Yeah, but here we can generate the power. The power can be direct use from the local. Yeah, and we also use a pipeline to deliver the biogas to the place.
Se utiliza el sistema de tuberías para el uso en las cocinas.
We also collaborate with some enterprise. They provide their materials, ask us to do some tests for them.
También funciona para hacer algunos ensayos de otros lugares. Por ejemplo, los restos de comida son introducidos al sistema para ver si tienen buenos resultados o no. La otra función es justamente utilizarlo como parte de la generación eléctrica a través de esta máquina de acá, este power generator. Los efluentes aquí son reciclados. Por lo tanto, tendrán un tratamiento posterior para reducir la demanda química de oxígeno. Entonces aquí tenemos un separador de los sólidos y líquidos. La parte sólida será utilizada como fertilizante, la parte líquida para el tratamiento y reciclado en el sistema. Aquí tenemos las etapas.
So that is the explanation of this kind of plan. But I think everyone already very expert here, so I didn't know to explain too much. So if there's any question, maybe just ask. Yes.
You talk about the fertilizer.
Yes.
Talk about the pH is too high.
Oh, actually the pH.
Respecto al pH le está preguntando.
Final stage is around 7 to 8.
El pH está entre 7 a 8.
It can come lower because normally the fermentation stage is about 9 to 10.
Le pregunta que el pH normalmente trabaja sobre los 9. Aquí lo tienen entre 7 y 7.9. The pumps that you are using here are only based on that energy generator, or do you use electricity, external electricity?
Yeah, as I mentioned, the biogas we produce here, one application is the generator that can produce the power
Yes.
and direct use. The other one is direct use in
the houses.
In the kitchens, biogas stove. Yeah, that is the efficiency. Actually, is more higher because if we use a generator, we must make sure the loading is almost matched. Otherwise, the power we generate will lose. For example, the power generator is 5 kilowatt, but the loading only 1 kilowatt. That means when it's running, we will 4 kilowatt will be lose.
Yes.
Disappear. So for the efficiency, of course, we will suggest the farmer if they need to cook every day. So direct use the biogas stove is more efficiency. Yeah, because the scale is very small. If you want to like grid the power generator want to the grid, so the scale must be higher.
Yes.
The efficiency will be better.
Okay. I mean, for these pumps, for the mixing tank, for the first 80 tank, you need pumps, right?
Yes.
So these pumps are fitted with the external electricity, the green power electricity. Okay. What about the retention time in the tanks?
Actually, the mixing or the transportation, I only use 1 pump.
Ah,
So in the
solo
pilot plant, only 1
una
pump
bomba
doing the whole
para
system
todo el
from-
sistema.
About the mixing, also the transportation from the tank to tanks. Yeah. And we are controlled by the PLC, and we design the
controlan desde
basic
esa
timing control.
máquina y con un tiempo de control.
With this scale, per cycle, how long you can support the
Ah, con este sistema, ¿cuánto puede abastecer
Actually,
el?
it depends on also
maquinaria.
depends on the feedstock we input.
Ah,
Because we
depende
already
de
try,
la materia
three
prima
kinds
que
of,
pueda
three different
ingresar.
The materials, the potential is different actually.
El
So
potencial es diferente.
Like say now, these times the feedstock is the soybean sludge. Soybean sludge, yeah. And 20 kilogram
20
soybean
kilos
sludge,
de
that
soya
can produce about 1.5
puede producir
cubic meter biogas
1.5
per day.
metros
Per day,
cúbicos
yeah.
de biogás diario. You have some isolate systems, right? The black ones.
Yes, yes.
So it's for warming up the temperature, or what's the use of that?
This useful, yeah. Actually keep the heat inside because in the system we didn't design about the heating system because Taiwan is hot and not. But still, because this is a mountainside, so at the night time the temperature will decrease a little bit. Yeah, so we try to keep it warm.
Ya que tienen ya que está ubicado en las montañas,
we have the heater, but the heater
utilizan este sistema de aislamiento.
using the PV power, solar power. Yeah, solar power to heat it. Yeah.
Where do you get the tofu sludge?
Soybean sludge. Yes.
Yeah, is it
the soybean
far from here? Soybean sludge.
The soybean sludge is they took from the tofu factory.
Yeah, and it's
that is
transported here then.
nearby.
Oh, but very close.
Nearby, yeah. They also
Yeah.
need that to make the food for pig.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What about the food waste? You mentioned that you're working with food waste also as feedstock.
Yes,
How is the
that is,
efficiency?
That is a cooperation with some enterprise.
Mhm.
So they deliver the material behind. There are 4 tanks.
Okay.
That's the food waste hydrolyzed. Yeah, so we make a long time test.
Do you have
for
to
them.
pay for that, or they do it voluntarily?
They do this for free because they want the data.
Get the read.
They want the data to prove that it is useful rather than the original food waste. Because original food waste, like we at the first day we go to white pool, right? That is the food waste. The problem is that they make slurry, but if they have some something like a metal, the spoon, the knife, accidentally, it will stop the machine.
Sure,
That's
sure.
the problem. But the food waste hydrolyzed is already liquid, so easy to input to the system. Yeah, and also already become the hydrolyzed.
Hydrolysis.
It's the
Hydrolyzed already.
the usage of the efficiency also will be higher than
Sure.
the food waste.
Yeah, of course.
So we help them to do the kind of the test.
Experimental.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
okay.
of course we also can publish the paper. Yeah,
Sure.
win-win. Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
What sort of constraints or problems do you have?
Still now,
What sort of problems do you get running this?
running is
Problems.
yeah problems. Sometimes it's
Difficult to get biomass source or things like that. What? No?
No, because actually they have plenty of the biomass here.
Yeah, that's
It's a farm.
No es el problema
Yeah.
tener
So I can get the
biomasa.
new. Yeah. So, but sometimes the problem is that the soybean sludge they also have some strange things inside. So we will stop my pipe.
A veces hay algunos materiales externos
But
que
that is
pueden
not
obstruir el
very
sistema.
often happen. Sometimes open we need to go down and fix it. Otherwise, the system is auto run and then can maintained by the workers here.
You have to educate the
Yes,
people who bring the